Welcome to a video that can literally transform lives. Today, we will address an extremely relevant topic: prediabetes and how to reverse it. Before we continue, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications, as the content we will share here can make a significant difference to your health and quality of life. It's crucial to follow every detail of this video because prediabetes is a critical stage that often goes unnoticed. It represents an alert, a sign that your body is asking for help. By understanding the concepts discussed here and applying them, you can prevent progression to type 2 diabetes, a condition that can have serious complications. The importance of this cannot be underestimated, as we are talking about your long-term health, your vitality, and well-being. So stay with us, absorb each piece of information, and know that the knowledge we will share here could be the key to a healthier and fuller life. 1. Changes in diet. Dietary changes play a key role in reversing prediabetes. This involves making more conscious food choices, prioritizing foods rich in fiber such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and drastically reducing the consumption of processed foods, sugar, and refined carbohydrates. Avoiding blood sugar spikes is crucial, and this can be achieved by controlling the glycemic index of foods. Furthermore, it is important to pay attention to portion sizes, opting for smaller portions to control your caloric intake. The combination of healthy food choices and portion control can help stabilize blood glucose levels, improving insulin sensitivity, and significantly contributing to the reversal of prediabetes. 2. Portion control. Portion control plays a crucial role in managing prediabetes as it helps regulate calorie consumption and stabilize blood glucose levels. Awareness about portion sizes is essential, as we often underestimate how much we eat. Choosing smaller dishes and reading nutritional labels can help with this process. Additionally, understanding your daily calorie needs and distributing your meals throughout the day in a balanced way can prevent blood sugar spikes. Practicing portion control not only promotes weight loss if necessary, but also contributes to a more balanced diet and, consequently, the reversal of prediabetes. 3. Regular exercise. Regular exercise plays a key role in reversing prediabetes as it helps improve insulin sensitivity and control blood glucose levels. Moderate physical activity such as walking, swimming, or cycling for at least 150 minutes per week is recommended. This practice helps burn excess calories, reduce body fat, and facilitate the absorption of glucose by muscle cells, reducing insulin resistance. Additionally, exercise contributes to weight control, a key factor in preventing type 2 diabetes. Incorporating a balanced exercise routine tailored to individual needs is an important step on the journey to reversing prediabetes and promoting healthier health. More robust metabolism. 4. Stress control. Stress management plays a crucial role in reversing prediabetes, as chronic stress can increase blood glucose levels. Adopting stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, mindfulness, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce the body's stress response and improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, adequate sleep plays a significant role in regulating glucose-related hormones and controlling appetite. Prioritizing adequate rest and adopting relaxation strategies in your daily life can contribute to reducing stress, helping to reverse prediabetes and maintain healthy blood glucose levels. Therefore, a holistic approach that includes stress management and sleep quality is critical to improving metabolic health and preventing progression to type 2 diabetes. 5. Regular medical follow-up. Regular medical care is a cornerstone in the journey to reversing prediabetes. Consulting a healthcare professional such as a doctor or nutritionist is key to creating a personalized treatment plan and monitoring progress over time. They can perform regular tests to measure your blood glucose levels, assess your overall health, and make necessary adjustments to your diet plan, exercise, and stress management strategies. Additionally, these professionals can offer specific guidance based on your individual needs, providing support and motivation throughout the process. Regular medical care ensures that you are on the right path to effectively reversing prediabetes, thus reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes in the future and promoting a healthier life. In summary, reversing prediabetes is an achievable goal through significant lifestyle changes, including adopting a healthy diet, portion control, regular exercise, stress management, and medical care. The importance of applying these concepts lies in the ability to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and improve overall health. However, it is essential to highlight that each individual is unique and health needs may vary. Therefore, seeking guidance from a doctor or healthcare professional is crucial to assess your individual conditions, develop a personalized plan, and ensure safe and effective progress toward reversing prediabetes. Regular medical consultations complement and guide the implementation of these strategies, contributing to a healthier life and reducing the risks associated with prediabetes. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found value in this video and believe the information shared here could make a difference in the life of someone, please share. Together, we can spread knowledge and help more people take control of their health. Don't miss the next video that will appear on your screen, where we will cover topics related to healthcare in a practical and accessible way. Until then!